Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to delve into: the remarkable story of Cathie Wood and her revolutionary investment company, ARK Invest. If you're a fan of disruptive technologies and forward-thinking strategies, this one's for you. So let's jump right in. Cathie Wood is a true visionary in the world of finance and investments. With decades of experience under her belt, she founded ARK Invest in 2014 with a bold mission to focus on disruptive innovation and identify the companies that are shaping the future.
At age 54, Cathie Wood is forced to leave her lucrative position as portfolio manager. She now must start again.
Now, I had 3 children, 2 dogs, and a nanny, and it was complete silence because they were going to all be away for 2 weeks. I wasn't happy, but I wasn't sad. It was just like, whoa, this hasn't happened to me before. I wasn't even thinking about work. And I got the message loud and clear. You have to take all of the technologies that have disrupted other industries and start to disrupt your own and focus on the new creation.
In a world dominated by men, Cathie Wood became the symbol for a new generation of investors.
Before ARK, Cathie has various financial institutions, and her expertise and passion for investing and innovation laid the foundation for successful investment management.
University of California.
Having been born the child of immigrants in the United States, I was very fearful as I went into college that, I was the oldest and I had to carry the mantle for the family. And so I approached it with a great bit of trepidation.
Like most of the middle-class families in the rough 70s, Wood's family struggled financially.
A statewide jobless rate of 9.3% has jammed local unemployment offices. In terms of people, some 920,000 Californians are now out of work.
She has to work part-time to pay for her tuition. And like her father, Cathie aspires to pursue a career in science or technology. But he advised against it, as he believes that his daughter will be better off being a businesswoman. Then Wood decides to pursue economics and finance. Wood becomes the top student in her school. Laffer sees the immense potential in this unassuming girl and finds her a lucrative job after graduation. Cathie became the assistant economist for Capital Group, one of the largest investment companies in the early 1980s, with assets over tens of billions of dollars. Cathie Wood's career is taking off, but then after 3 years, she is scooped up by another investment company in New York as chief economist. Wang started from a modest place. After college, Wang became a housewife, but she quickly became tired of it and decided to pursue an MBA from Columbia. Similar to Wood, Wang climbed through the ranks of Jennison Associates and became their executive vice president, managing over $4 billion of assets. But that is not enough. By 1998, after witnessing the rise of hedge funds and the unthinkable fortunes they amassed, Wang wanted to start her own fund. To do that, she needs to find a partner who is just as capable as her. Cathie Wood. By 1998, Cathie Wood and Wang started their own hedge fund, Tupelo Capital Management. It became obvious to Cathie, a hedge fund was not her true calling.
Sure, hedge funds have been so lucrative for asset managers, but if you see everyone moving into hedge funds and private, and you look at a new wrapper that's actually a good deal for the end investor, and you go with low cost and public, using the private market valuations as an umbrella, maybe, just maybe, you'll be onto something big.
Her passion is at picking stocks of companies with world-changing potential, ones that are undervalued by Wall Street.
So what sets ARK Invest apart from traditional investment firms? Let's take a closer look at their investment philosophy. ARK is all about looking forward, not backward. They focus on investing in disruptive technologies and innovation that they believe will drive long-term growth and transformative change across multiple industries.
ARK Invest is focused on one thing and one thing alone: disruptive innovation. My director of research, Brett Winton, and I have worked together for 10 years, and we've never seen so much innovation happening at one time.
We are trying to figure out where the world is headed, where there's going to be far more change than people expect, and identify companies that have the highest sensitivity to that change.
Their research-driven approach and deep understanding of cutting-edge technologies allow them to spot opportunities that many others might overlook. One of the key aspects that make ARK Invest unique is their thematic approach to investing. They have identified 5 major themes that guide their investment decisions. Let's break them down. The first theme is genomic revolution, where ARK invests in companies that are advancing the field of genomics and gene editing. They believe that breakthroughs in genomics will revolutionize healthcare and impact various industries.
For innovation, well, we have seen advances such as ATMs in the 60s, debit cards in the 70s, and online banking in the late 90s. Financial services have yet to experience a fundamental transformation. In fact, in today's increasingly digital world, financial services, one of the largest markets of the economy, remains mostly offline. Enter FinTech. FinTech refers to the innovative technologies making financial services more efficient, personal, and secure. Here's what's advancing FinTech forward. Mobile technology. It not only connects our world and offers easy payments on the go, but it has the power to provide almost 3 billion unbanked people affordable access to financial services, helping to overcome poverty, reduce income disparity, and increase economic growth. Big data. The rise of mobile devices has led to a massive increase in data, allowing companies to better understand and assess their customers' needs and offer completely new and personalized services.
Next up is autonomous technology and robotics, focusing on companies at the forefront of autonomous vehicles, drones, and robotics.
The coming decade. Most people don't realize how much we already rely on space and satellite technology in our day-to-day lives. From GPS navigation to instant credit card authorization, to farmers optimizing the food we eat, to tracking every part of the supply chain, satellite data has become the invisible foundation of our daily lives. And the future will rely even more so on advanced space and satellite technology. Currently, only half the world's population is connected to the internet, and penetration rates are slowing. An aerospace solution could be the catalyst that brings the other half of the world online. Air taxis, drone deliveries, autonomous cars, and more will rely on space and satellite technology. As we grow increasingly reliant on these solutions, we will demand more reliable internet connectivity. Just a few years ago, people thought reusable rockets were impossible. Now they are routine. Space isn't just promising us life on Mars, it's improving life on Earth. So join us as we launch into new space.
ARK envisions a future where automation plays a significant role in various sectors. The third theme is artificial intelligence, which needs no introduction. ARK invests in companies leveraging AI to revolutionize industries from healthcare to finance. Energy storage is the fourth theme, where ARK looks at innovative solutions for storing and utilizing renewable energy, which could transform the global energy landscape. And last but not least, blockchain technology. ARK believes that blockchain has the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems and revolutionize various sectors like supply chain management and decentralized finance.
One promising use case for blockchain technology outside of Bitcoin is in healthcare. Right now in the US, we spend $3 trillion annually on healthcare. That's 20% of our gross domestic product. What that means is for every $5 we make, we spend $1 on healthcare. Part of the reason for this high cost of healthcare is inefficient data systems. For example, when you go to the doctor's office, you may have to fill out paperwork once, and then when you go to a different doctor's office 6 months later, you may have to fill out the exact same paperwork. Part of the reason for this is the data systems of these healthcare providers are siloed. The way in which blockchain technology could be used is it could record pointers to all of this information in different databases that doctors could only access if they have the right permissions. Because of how a blockchain is structured, that data would remain secure, private, and impossible to tamper with, which will make doctors, patients, and insurance.
ARK's investment strategies have yielded extraordinary returns over the years, attracting a significant following of investors and catapulting Cathie Wood into the spotlight. Their foresight and conviction in disruptive technologies have paid off handsomely. Of course, no success story is without its share of controversies and criticisms.
By 2018, she was still rather unknown in the investment world. But that is about to change.
Got to start with Tesla, because for months now you have said this is a $4,000 stock. Given all the drama over the last few weeks, do you still think that?
Yes.
That is a 1,100% increase from its price at the time. At the time, Tesla struggled to produce enough Model 3s. Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, even sleeps in the factory trying to solve the production issue. Cathie Wood's optimistic forecast of Tesla's future is widely ridiculed. By 2021, Tesla has surpassed her price target, 2 years ahead of her forecast.
ARK Invest's high-risk, high-reward approach has drawn some skepticism from traditional investors. Critics argue that focusing heavily on innovative and often speculative companies can be volatile and risky. ARK's investments can experience significant price fluctuations, which may not be suitable for everyone's risk tolerance.
Because they thought we were too risky, too crazy. And I see now it's coming full circle because I hear that again, but it's much less risky than we believe the benchmarks are. The benchmarks are filling up with value traps because the innovation platforms, there are 5 of them, and they involve 14 different technologies that are all taking off right now. They are going to disrupt and disintermediate the traditional world order. So I think the big risk is in the benchmarks, not what we're doing.
In Tesla, she doesn't allow it to be more than 10% of her portfolio.
But when a stock gets to 11 or 12% in the portfolio, it means that it has appreciated by 10 to 20% relative to the other positions in the portfolio. And usually what we're doing is being opportunistic and taking advantage of a drop in a stock.
Cathie is not hesitant to exit a position when the fundamentals of the business change.
Beyond just financial success, ARK Invest has also built a thriving community around their ideas and research. Cathie Wood and her team have embraced social media to share their insights and engage with their audience directly. This open and transparent communication has allowed them to connect with investors and enthusiasts worldwide. And there you have it, the incredible journey of Cathie Wood and ARK Invest. Their disruptive investment strategies and unyielding belief in the power of innovation have captured the attention of the financial world. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.